Today we are going to do two important things. First, you will perform two quick balance tests to measure your current stability level. These tests can reveal your functional or biological balance age. After that, we will go through a powerful series of exercises designed to reactivate muscles that may have been inactive for years. Have you noticed how your walking feels different as the years go by? Many people begin watching every step, becoming more cautious, scanning constantly for a handrail, or feeling unsure on uneven ground. Loss of balance is one of the most silent yet serious causes of falls, and a single fall can divide life into before and after. But here's the good news. Balance is not something you simply lose forever. It is a skill, just like learning to write or swim. And whether you are 50, 70, or even 80 years old, your body can relearn stability and control. Before we begin, remember the most important rule. Safety comes first. Even if you feel confident, stand in a corner where two walls can support you, or position yourself near a wall with a sturdy chair beside you. If you feel dizzy or unstable at any time, immediately hold on to support. Never try to push through loss of balance. Let's begin with the first test, called the Tandem stance. This test shows how well your brain controls balance when your base of support becomes very narrow. Stand with one foot directly in front of the other so the heel of your front foot touches the toes of your back foot, like walking on a tightrope. Your goal is to hold this position for 30 seconds. Extend your arms slightly out to the sides, keep your back straight, and focus your eyes on a fixed point in front of you. You may feel your feet making small adjustments or shifting slightly. That is normal. Your stabilizing muscles are working to maintain control. Avoid turning your head or closing your eyes. If you begin to wobble excessively, grab your support immediately. If you were able to hold the position, excellent. If you struggled or could not maintain the position for at least 10 seconds, that simply means your balance needs strengthening. In that case, you may skip the next test and begin directly with the exercises. The second test is the Flamingo pose. This test measures the strength of your deep stabilizing muscles. Stand next to a wall or chair for safety. Keep your arms relaxed but ready to support you if needed. Lift one foot off the floor, bending your knee slightly, and balance on one leg. Your standing leg may shake a little. That is completely normal. Those muscles are activating and learning to stabilize your body. Continue breathing normally. If your raised foot touches the floor or you need support, note the time you maintained balance. Now compare your results. For ages 50 to 59, maintaining balance for more than 30 seconds is ideal. For ages 60 to 69, the goal is about 20 to 25 seconds. For ages 70 to 79, around 15 seconds is considered good. For age 80 and above, maintaining balance for 5 to 8 seconds is already an excellent result. Take a moment to reflect on your performance. These results show where you are today, and they also show what you can improve. Now let's move on to the most important part, the exercises. There are 5 movements in total, and each targets a different part of your balance system. For the best results, try not to skip any of them. The first exercise is the one-leg stand. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart while holding a chair or wall for support. Keep your back straight, gently engage your core muscles, and slowly lift one leg by bending the knee. Raise it to a comfortable height and hold briefly. Then slowly lower the leg back down with control. Repeat with the other leg. Move slowly and avoid rushing. This is not marching. It is controlled balance training. Keep your hips stable and avoid leaning to one side. Perform 10 repetitions on each leg, breathing normally throughout. The second exercise strengthens an important hip muscle called the gluteus medius. This muscle stabilizes your pelvis while walking and helps prevent sudden falls. Stand sideways next to a chair or wall. Keep your body upright and slowly lift your straight leg out to the side. Pause briefly at the top, then slowly return to the starting position. Avoid swinging your leg or lifting too high. Keep your body upright and your knees straight. Perform 10 repetitions on each side using slow, controlled movements. The third exercise focuses on ankle strength, which forms the foundation of balance. Stand behind a chair and hold it lightly for support. Slowly rise onto your toes and feel your calf muscles engage. Then gently lower your heels and rock back, lifting your toes so you balance on your heels. Move smoothly without jerking or using momentum. Strong calf muscles help pump blood circulation and stabilize your body, improving both balance and overall vascular health. The fourth exercise improves coordination and body awareness. Stand in a safe position near a chair. Shift your weight onto one leg and use the other foot to lightly tap the floor in 3 directions: forward, to the side, and then across your body in a crossover movement. This exercise teaches your brain to control your feet during turning and prevents tripping in tight spaces. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions on each leg. The fifth and final exercise is called rocking the boat. This movement strengthens your vestibular system, your body's internal balance center. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and slowly shift your body weight from one leg to the other like a gentle pendulum. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. If you feel comfortable, gradually close your eyes while continuing the movement. This challenges your body to balance without relying on vision. If you feel dizzy or unstable, simply open your eyes or hold the chair. Start with 30 to 40 seconds and gradually build up to 1 minute. Take a moment to appreciate what you have just accomplished. If you felt slightly unsteady, that is completely normal. Your body is simply relearning how to stabilize itself. With consistent practice, these exercises can significantly improve confidence, walking stability, and overall movement within just a few weeks. If you dedicate just 15 minutes each day to balance training, you may notice smoother walking, improved posture, reduced fear of falling, and greater independence in daily life. Share in the comments how you felt during the exercises and which one helped you the most. Continue practicing regularly, take care of your health, and give yourself credit for every step you take towards stronger balance and a safer future. Stay consistent, stay confident, and most importantly, stand strong.